In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google business account permanently. If you no longer need a Google business profile and want to remove it completely, this process is fairly straightforward, but it's important to understand what happens before you confirm. Removing the business profile content and managers will delete the profile's data, including things like posts, photos, reviews, and manager access. So before you proceed, make sure this is really the option you want. To get started, go to Google Business Profile Manager or simply search for your business profile through Google while signed into the account that manages it. The key here is to use the correct Google account, because if you're signed into the wrong one, you may not see the profile or the settings you need. Once you're inside your business profile, locate the three-dot menu, which may also appear as a More option depending on the version you're seeing. Click that menu to open additional settings for the listing. From there, choose Business Profile Settings. This is where Google places the main management and removal options for the profile. After the settings panel opens, look for the option labeled Remove Business Profile. Click on that to begin the permanent deletion process. At this stage, Google will usually give you a warning or a confirmation screen so you understand the impact of removing the profile. Next, choose Remove Profile Content and Managers. This is the option that clears the profile's content and removes all manager access associated with it. In other words, this step is what permanently strips the business profile of its visible data and connected management permissions. After selecting that option, click Continue. This gives you one more chance to review what you're about to do. If everything looks correct and you're ready to move forward, click Remove to finalize the deletion. Once you do that, the process is complete. Just keep in mind that because this is a permanent action, recovering the profile or its content may not be possible afterward. That's why it's a good idea to double check that you've selected the correct business profile before confirming the final removal. And that's all it takes to permanently delete a Google business account. If you're following along, just move carefully through each screen, read the confirmation messages closely, and make sure you're comfortable with the data being removed before you finish.